Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GOFF. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. I did this one a couple days ago, and like I mentioned in that one, this is being done by one of the large awareness groups out there. And if you like kind of mass chaos and big swings, then these sorts of plays are for you. So while a chart is definitely helpful, it's one of these where kind of when the awareness is pretty much done, things go haywire. So with that in mind, like I said, you can use supports and stuff to kind of gauge when that may be, but just one of these where if you're going to play it, definitely keep your eyes on it, and it's not one where you can kind of throw money at it and then walk away for 2 months. So with that being said, I want to get things updated. These are the lines and support levels that I drew the last time I did the video, and that was, like I said, a few days ago. So got to get things updated. I'm just going to get rid of these. I don't want to clutter up the chart and make it too confusing. We are going to leave that one, and I'll explain why in a little bit. But there is a new level of support, and like I said, these levels can be used for just helping to gauge the strength of things, and it's amazing how that works out. But on that initial surge, the initial day right there, you can see that it went up and hit a high of 35 cents. And then you can see on this bounce, that's right where it got rejected up there as resistance, 35 cents. And then when the price did break above it, you can see multiple times now the price has dropped back down to 35 cents. So just a great example of showing the power of charts, how this resistance acted as resistance and then is now acting as a support. So that's going to be our first kind of indicator line, meaning if the price falls below here, I'm not going to quite say that the party's over, but it's definitely a level that should be taken note of and paid attention to closely. Now this level right here was a previous level of support, or excuse me, resistance, but since the price is now above it, as Technical Analysis 101 states, resistances become supports. So this is now another level of support or indicator level, meaning if the price were to come down here and break below there, that's another pretty big warning sign that something may not be right. Again, I'm not going to say that that would suggest that the party's over, but this level is going to be at 32 cents. Finally extending this level all the way over here. This level was a support and remains one. This is at 27 cents. And I'm going to make this line extra thick because, in my opinion at least, if the price were to come down here and close below here or break below here, that's something where something's just not right anymore. Now, obviously the price is way up there, so that's kind of why I'm willing to give it some leeway. But these are the three lines that I would personally keep a close eye on and use as the gauges for monitoring how the awareness program is going. In terms of resistances, basically in a blue sky breakout now that the price is above 35 cents. The highest of today was 37.5, so that's technically where the current level of resistance is, but that really doesn't mean too much at this point in time. The support levels are really kind of the hidden gem, and these levels that will help kind of guide you through where the awareness program and so forth stands. So hopefully that makes more sense. Hopefully that helps you out and gives you an idea of what to keep an eye on. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. When you sign up, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it into your strategy as a trader and make an investment into your education, I'd encourage you to check out our course down there, over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was GOFF. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.